Why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days when him feed you. You know when no obligation, but you owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him one to get. Turn your back on your brother when him need you.
Everybody's going to the party, have a real good time. Dancing in the desert, blowing up the sunshine.
Entrar na sala, ela seja amiga. Eu estava a dançar, a falar com Andy Joyon. E o cara cantar, DJ para aquela música.
I'm gonna let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, a time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.